Here's how to get Hacker Sidekick running on Kali Linux. The whole thing takes about 2 minutes. Head to hackersidekick.com and download the deb package. Kali is Debian based, so this is the one you want. It's about 120 megs. Open a terminal, cd into downloads, and install it with apt. One command. It pulls whatever dependencies it needs, and you're done. Launch it, and you'll see the welcome screen. On the right side, it's asking you to sign in. You can use Hacker Sidekick public account, or if your organization runs on an enterprise server, you can connect to that instead. We'll set up a public account. Click Sign In, and it opens the account portal in your browser. You can sign up with GitHub, Google, or email. Create your account, set your password, and you're through. You're now in the account portal. New accounts start on the free tier with 1 million tokens per month. That's enough to get a feel for the tool. If you want to do real work with it, Starter and Pro are both available with a 7-day free trial. Pro gives you 15 million tokens per month, which is plenty for daily use on engagements. Back in the app, click Sign In one more time. Your browser confirms the handoff, and the app picks up the session. At the bottom, you've got your task input. You can see it signed in and ready to go. If you want to see what it can do from here, check out our other videos or blog posts at hackersidekick.com.